your girl InDaynaMo and welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hello guys! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today is December 1. So good morning, Jax.
Hello.
So today, guys, we are going to...
Oh, you're looking at me?
Yeah.
Oh, Mount Gambier.
Yeah, we're going to South Australia, guys. So it's a different states here. One of the state here in Australia. So, Jax, how long is we can reach the Gambier?
Oh, I'm guessing if a trailer on the back is going to take probably 5 to 6 hours.
So 5 to 6 hours, guys. Ayun yung trailer. I will show you. Ayun na, nasa likod namin.
Yes, we have a lot of stuff in the car as it is, plus the trailer on the back.
So we got a lot of stuff here, guys. Talagang we are away about 3 weeks.
Yeah,
Two to
for
3
this
weeks.
time, yeah.
So dala namin ng buong bahay. Look at that one, guys. Ayan. So guys, I will do a time lapse for you. So makikita nyo paano yung mga madadaanan namin. So we will be in a countryside. It's countryside, right?
Yeah, once you cross the city and then maybe another half hour to an hour after that, yeah, it'll be countryside, freeways.
to Mount Gambier, South Australia, located amid the gorgeous limestone coast of South Australia. Mount Gambier is a must-see destination for any visitors to the southern coast of Australia. Located halfway between Melbourne and Adelaide, Mount Gambier is a popular tourist spot due to the unique natural environment. With its stunning geographic features, scenic nature spot, lush pine forest, world-famous wineries, and gorgeous coastline, there are so many things to see and to do around Mount Gambier. Mount Gambier is certainly a unique location for those visiting South Australia, with many sightseeing opportunities, landmarks, and activities for travelers to fully experience. So, that's it guys. That's our time-lapse travel going to Gambier, Victoria. Takes 5 hours and 44 minutes. Hindi ganun kadali guys because they still have restriction even though they just reopened their border. So, yung state dito, yung South Australia guys, ay isa siyang states dito sa Australia. So, yung Mount Gambier, ito yung pinaka-border ng South Australia. Tapos kapag pupunta ka naman ng Melbourne, guys, it takes 5 hours, more than 5 hours yung travel. And then kapag pupunta ka naman ng Adelaide, so this is halfway, guys. So kapag pupunta ka naman ng Adelaide, is another South Australia din, guys. Kapag pupunta ka naman doon, it takes you more than 4 hours and travel. Ganun siya kahaba guys, pero talaga kasi daan mo sa countryside. Hindi siya, dati, madali lang pumunta sa mga states. Kasi ngayon, due of pandemic, even though they just open their border, meron kayo kailangan na gawin. So, the first one, yung ginawa namin, we go to the website to get the application to approval to enter the state. Yun yung South Australia. And then, once you approve, isang ano lang yun, madali lang application dun kasi si Jackson gumawa nun. So, once you approve, guys, meron silang ipapasang email. They need your details, your informations. And then, the second requirements, yung COVID digital certificate namin. Even though we have a certificate through our mobile phone, we have this one. Ayan. So, we print out kasi the hard copies. Kasi may checkpoint dito, guys. Yung sa video kasi hindi masyadong kita eh. Pero may checkpoint kami, guys. Yung boundary. Yung lumabas kami ng Victoria, guys, ng Melbourne. Yung boundary na South Australia, meron siyang checkpoint doon, guys. So, may checkpoint, may police, may someone na mag-jot down doon sa papers kung check nila yung requirements, yung approval of the application to enter the state. And then, ito yung digital certificate namin ni Jack. So, tag-isa kami. Even though we have on our mobile phone, kailangan ipakita para hindi na masyadong hassle. Titingin ka pa sa mobile phone mo. Paano kung wala signal? Eh, di wala kang mapapakita. Mas maganda yung prepare ka. So, we print it out, the hard copies. And the third requirements, guys, is the PCR swab test. So, prior, if you are traveling to state, kasi 72 hours before you, I think, arrive, ganon. Pag dumating kayo, kailangan 72 hours kayong nag-test. Doon sa pinanggalingan nyo, na bago kayo pumasok dito, valid pa yung test nyo. So, may mga ganong eksena sa dito. So, ayun na nga guys. Bakit South Australia dito sa Mount Gambier? Kasi Jack's born here dito sa Mount Gambier, guys. So, yung sibling si Jax, yung brother niya, yung sister niya, yung niece niya, yung nephews niya, nandito sa Mount Gambier. So, transfer lang sila sa Melbourne, sa Victoria. Tapos, here, I think twice or thrice now since, nung huli namin punta dito. Tapos nga yung nag-open na yung border nila, ay pumunta kami dito. Dala-dala, of course, caravan! Ayan, dala-dala namin siya guys. So, nag-timelapse lang tayo for today. Nakita niyo yung mga pinuntahan na daanan nating town. So, dumaan tayo sa mga ghost town, sa mga small towns, guys. Ayan, mabilis lang yung mga nilagay ko sa video kasi mahaba yun. It's 5 hours. Talagang pinaiksi lang natin. So, guys, it's the end of our video for today. Thank you very much for watching and mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao lang!